And now let's turn to the vaccine rollout with the Johnson & Johnson single-dose shot now available again after it was paused over some blood clot concerns.
There's also new guidelines coming soon for wearing masks outdoors and traveling this summer to Europe. Now we start our coronavirus coverage with Local 10 News reporter Hatsel Vela.
He's live right now at the FEMA-supported vaccination site on Miami-Dade College's North Campus. How are the crowds there? Is it a steady flow of folks?
Christy, it is a steady flow of folks, but I can tell you it's not as crowded as I've seen it before. As you know, this is day 2 for this site administering those Johnson & Johnson vaccines. But remember, you can also come here to MDC North and get that Pfizer vaccine. And when you look at the numbers and you compare, it seems like people have a preference, and that's the Pfizer vaccine. It's been a day now since the state started using the one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So far, it seems people remain hesitant to get the J&J shot. Here at Miami-Dade College North, as of last night, only 195 people got the J&J vaccine versus 427 who got their first dose of Pfizer. 19-year-old Lola Marinelli came with her mom to get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. First hesitant, she says, but now has changed her mind.
At first, I was really worried, you don't know what's going to happen to you, but then I decided that I wanted Johnson.
32 states now resuming the use of Johnson & Johnson vaccine after federal health officials lifted the 11-day pause, adding a new warning about the potential of extremely rare blood clots. Out of 8 million administered doses, the CDC found 15 women suffered from them, but concluded the vaccine's benefits outweighed the risk.
If anybody has any doubts about the safety, we can now say, we take this very seriously. We've looked at it. Now let's get back and get people vaccinated.
This, as a new ABC News poll shows that less than half of Americans see the Johnson & Johnson vaccine as safe. 73% of those not yet vaccinated say they wouldn't take the J&J shot. So let's talk about capacity for a minute here. If you come to the MDC North site here where we are now, they have availability when it comes to the Pfizer vaccine. First dose, 2,500. For Johnson & Johnson, they have up to 3,000 vaccines daily. Remember, though, if you got your first Pfizer vaccine here, you can come back and get your second one as well. For now, reporting live from Northwest Miami-Dade, I'm Hatsel Vela, Local 10 News.